Sodick.
20 kilogram wires are recommended for long machining hours. 20 kilogram and 30 kilogram wires are also available, as well as standard 5 kilogram and 6 kilogram wires. Now let's see the advantages of switching to large wire spools. Here's a machining simulation process during days and nights by 5 kilogram and 20 kilogram wires. With 20 kilogram wire, unattended machining can be performed without worries during nights. It's inevitable to take time and efforts for replacing wires, and thus reducing the frequency of replacing wires is most important. How about improving your working environment that requires time and effort? The best choice is to consider switching from 4 spools of 5 kilogram wires to 1 spool of 20 kilogram wire. Wire feeders for machine options are available for large wire spools. 2 types of options are available. One is for installation and the other is a separate type. Making machining more ecological. Sodick recommends switching to 20 kilogram wires as an environmentally friendly action to reduce usage of spools.